Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're gonna talk about the question, when you do telekinesis, should you close or open your eyes? As usual, there's a short answer and a long answer. The short answer is, it doesn't matter. The long answer is, it really depends. Have you ever heard of visual learners? Visual learners are people who learn things, skills, and so on by watching and seeing. This is how they can absorb information best. If you are one of those, I would recommend keep your eyes open. In any other case, I would close my eyes. Truth is, because it's telekinesis, you don't even have to see the object. You don't even have to be pointed towards the object. You can just look the other way. Should work too. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna use those shades to do telekinesis today. I found them in my closet. They're very old and I have a very special bond to them. That's why I'm gonna do telekinesis with those shades. But I'm gonna do that while I'm gonna look the other way. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.